What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and the giveaway is over on our 97 EK hatch. We sent off the entries over to our third-party sweepstakes company and we are waiting to hear back from them. Any of you guys did order and get in on get entries for the giveaway, I really do appreciate that, and we will have a winner announced shortly. Basically waiting on a big order of t-shirts and stuff to come in to get all that stuff shipped out. If we do have stuff in stock, we're shipping it out as fast as we can. Again, we're two and a half men operation around here. Ty's basically at the house shipping while I'm down here at the shop trying to do projects and stuff like that. So leading into that, one of the things that I hadn't done quite yet before the end of the giveaway was actually do this headliner. I've already started stripping it a little bit. I tried just using the shop vac and it pulled a little bit of the foam off, but it just didn't actually, the adhesive kind of holds a lot of it down at the bottom. So what I actually started using was this right here, typical wire brush, but I'm just kind of keeping it elevated, and all these like little hairs on the bottom, I'm just kind of letting it kind of take off the stuff on the bottom, so it's not digging into like the cardboard, wood, whatever stuff you want to, I don't even know what that is. It's like cardboard to me. And then we have this roll of suede right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to do this myself. If not, we'll try to get the upholstery team. I don't have an upholstery team, but we're gonna find somebody to do some upholstery stuff if I can't get this to work. Basically gonna cut a little section of that, test it and see if I even like it, and then see if I could get it to lay out how I want. A couple little scratches on it just from it, being out of the junkyard and stuff, but I think we should be able to get all that stuff fixed and make it look presentable. Little updates on this thing right here. We got Garrett over here. So the adhesive that I used wasn't as sticky as this stuff right here, so I talked to Eric. He said he had some more sticky stuff, and I was talking to Garrett, and he said to get a little bit stickier stuff and basically double spray it. So spray the piece and spray
the substrate it's going on to.
Yeah,
tack up and
almost, he said let them dry and then wait like 5 minutes, spray one side again so you have that sticky stuff again, and then basically do them both. So he's kind of going around the edges and doing that, just kind of peeled it back just a little bit. The center of it feels like it's sticking really good, but normally the edges is where you'll get some of the peel back, but everything else is looking pretty good. So I think we're just gonna roll it around the front edge, since there's not something to like hold it, like right here in the Civic you can see the front edge right there. I think there's a piece in the back where it's supposed to go to kind of hold that stuff up too. But Garrett is over here helping me with some C10 stuff, which that's about all the sneak peek that you get. So we actually do need to replace the heater core in the Civic. So I went ahead and I have a parts Civic out back, and I went out back and I looked at everything, and I was like, man, just the chances of it being bad, or if it had water in it and it froze or something like that over the past like year and a half that has been sitting out back, I didn't want to chance it. So I went ahead and ordered a brand new heater core from O'Reilly's. So that will be here tomorrow morning. Because I did want to get started on the carpet kit and the whole interior stuff with that, but I think I'm gonna have to pull out the dash to get to the heater core, which I'm really not excited about. But I have a brand new carpet kit, and then we have this, which I should have put in, you know, probably a while back, because you guys would have been probably more stoked about the giveaway. But you know, you guys knew it was eventually coming, so got to throw that in basically tomorrow. So we'll catch up with you then. All right, guys, the day has come. Heater core. I'm not stoked to be doing the heater core in this thing right now. All right, so got the old heater core out. You can see this thing kind of had, it's probably had better days. See, it had a bunch of little leaves and stuff in it. When we first turned the AC on, or the heater in this thing, it actually blew a bunch of leaves out of it at us. So went ahead, got this whole box all cleaned out, fresh heater core installed. And one of the things that I didn't think was a thing, there's actually a bolt right there in the front that bolts right by these lines. So shouldn't have any more leaks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and smash this thing back in. But it's a little bit of a process. Wasn't the worst thing in the world, but there's a lot of things to take apart and put back together. So we get back on that, and then we're gonna put this carpet kit in, get the headliner in, and it's gonna look freaking brand new. Little bit of an update. Carpet kit that I ordered was a molded carpet kit, which means that it's molded. It kind of flows with the curves of everything in here, gives space for the tunnel, has a little space right here for where the seats and everything mount, but it's not cut, which means you gotta do a lot of cutting, right?
Yep. Cutting
and fitting and pushing and trying to get everything to fit, because basically this whole piece was one piece. Still need to cut out some, you know, give the shifter some room right here, but getting pretty close right here for all this stuff. And you're working down really good over there, getting all that stuff pushed down. So also for all the seat bolts too, you can see seat bolts in the front, all that stuff. So yeah, working through all this. And then right here in the front, we're gonna have to cut a little slice to mount the dash, because the dash actually mounts to some little tabs, and then we have some other little tabs that need to go right here. But heater core's in, dash is in, got the Honda actually mounted over there to the side, but Garrett's in here. He's really good at stuff like this. He has a lot of patience for it. You know, whereas I don't have as much patience. I'm kind of a, you know, I like the instant gratification. That's where I am. So he, you can see how fitted this one is, just how it, you know, folds with all the curves and all that stuff, and how many holes there actually is too. So got to cut out a bunch of stuff a little bit more, but it's gonna turn out really nice. It's gonna be nice having the full brand new carpet kit in here. Should probably start fitting the headliner too, because the headliner turned out really good. I don't know if I showed you guys, but Garrett finished trimming it all off on the edges, cut all the little holes, got some little X's cut in there for the sides. But that looks like a freaking headliner. Guys, just got the interior all put back together, seats in, carpet in. We even have the ECU hidden up over underneath that little pad over there. Got the full dash in, got a little gauge pod cover right there, so because we didn't have 2 gauges, so we basically just have the AM and all that. Got the steering wheel on, got all that stuff, and then we have the headliner in. So I need to grab, I think Nick gave me the things for the sun visors. I think he gave me the things for the sun visors. If not, I might have to make another trip to the junkyard. But overall, the interior is like 99% back together, just missing like 1 or 2 little things like that, which I'm gonna grab. But I just want to let you guys know that we actually do have a winner, and I've been working on the C10 if you don't see that in the background, but that will be another video. So we're going to be announcing the winner of the Civic giveaway live tomorrow, well, today on we're gonna go live on YouTube at, I believe, 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, which if you're in California, that will be noon. If you're in Texas, that will be 2 o'clock. And if you're in Florida, that will be 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So again, 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. We have the phone number, we have the winner. They don't know that they've won yet, and we're gonna basically call them and surprise them, and they will be the grand prize potential winner, because technically they still need to submit all their info and make sure that they're 100% compliant with all the rules and stuff. But again, I think this is what we did with the WRX. I thought that was really cool. Basically just call them live, and it was funny because a bunch of you guys were saying like your girlfriends like were calling you at the same time or something. Like I was like, hold on, I'm getting ready to call, and then they answered, and then, you know, or their phone rang and it was like their girlfriend or something. But the last winner was actually in the Taco Bell drive-thru, which was pretty funny. But yeah, Civic is coming along really good. I mean, which it should be, because the giveaway's already over. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Civic is basically finally now complete, you know, a couple days after the end of the giveaway. I just wanted to throw out this video real quick just to let you guys know that, you know, we're still around. We didn't just like run away. And you know, Ty's been super busy, and I've been busy with him as soon as I get home after I leave the shop for the day, helping him ship out orders and all that type of stuff. And again, we are waiting on a couple products to come back in stock, and it is pretty much only 2 to 3 of us shipping at once. So just keep that in mind. It's just kind of you know, lots of things going on behind the scenes, trying to get everybody's orders and stuff out. But I really do appreciate your patience, and I really appreciate every single one of you guys for getting entered on the giveaway. Really supports the channel and helps me continue to do crazy stuff like you know, probably the C10 and all the other stuff over there. But appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you later.